Super great morning, super great morning. I'm super excited today. You know why? Because of, guys, my eyesight is restored, and thank God to these two products. I've been taking these products, and guys, my eyesight is getting better and better by day, guys. So this morning I woke up, do my daily routines in the house, and the next thing I'm out. So as I was driving to work, I realized that I'm not wearing my glasses. I'm not wearing my glasses, guys. And I was like, what? And I was able to see. I was able to drive, because back then I know that when I was driving, everything will be so blurry, guys. Blurry. Very much blurry. I couldn't see at all. So I had to drive back home because my license is with glasses to go and fetch my glasses. And that is my testimony, guys. I've been having this problem from 2007. I've been having this problem of my eyesight, guys, and I'm just glad that my eyesight is restored. It's not perfect, but I know that it is going to be perfected through these products. Life is super. Life is super. Stay blessed. If I'm talking to you, you have that eyesight problem, consider STC30 and SNC.